All right, big news coming in here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday announced the conclusion of the free trade agreement with the United Kingdom along with a double contribution convention. Taking to X, Prime Minister Modi said, and I quote him here, "Delighted to speak with my friend PM Keir Starmer in a historic milestone. India and the UK have successfully concluded an ambitious and mutually beneficial free trade agreement along with a double contribution convention. These landmark agreements will further deepen our comprehensive strategic partnership and catalyze trade, investment, growth, job creation and innovation in both our economies. I look forward to welcoming PM Starmer to India soon." Unquote. All right, so big news coming in here. Prime Minister Modi has announced the conclusion of the free trade agreement with the United Kingdom along with a double contribution convention. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also posted this on X saying that delighted to speak with my friend PM Keir Starmer in a historic milestone. India and the UK have successfully concluded an ambitious and mutually beneficial free trade agreement along with a double contribution convention. These landmark agreements will further deepen our comprehensive strategic partnership and catalyze trade, investment, growth, job creation and innovation in both our economies. I look forward to welcoming PM Starmer to India soon. And the deal has been concluded after 3 years of stop-start negotiations, and it aims to increase bilateral trade by a further £25.5 billion by 2040 with liberal market access and ease trade restrictions. All right, we'll go across to DD India, Shubhendu Ghosh. He has more information on this. Shubhendu, tell us how significant and how big is this deal?
It's a very, very significant news for both the leading economies of the world, India as well as United Kingdom. Remember, we're talking about the fifth and the sixth largest economies in the world. At a time when American-led tariff war is dominating the global economy, here is a news about free trade agreement, a trade arrangement in which the two countries will get greater access to one another's market and economy, is coming as a shot in the arm for global economy as well. If we talk about the larger vision, by 2040, the aim is to be able to expand the trade between India and the UK to about $34 to $40 billion. That's the larger vision. It is expected that the kind of barriers that will be removed with this FTA coming into place, it was around 2022. It's been about 2 to 3 years of stiff negotiations taking place in circumstances that we've seen, especially this year, when the Trump administration came into place and sort of created a rather difficult situation for global trade to move forward smoothly. In such a context, this news coming in of the FTA and Prime Minister Narendra Modi and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer both congratulating one another. And it is expected soon that Keir Starmer would be now visiting India and the final signatures on the deal could happen.
Absolutely. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer reacted to the signing of the trademark deal by saying that strengthening alliances and reducing trade barriers with economies around the world is part of the plan for change to deliver a stronger and more secure economy. Shubhendu, also tell us what are the sectors you think would benefit with this deal, which would be the high impact areas?
Absolutely. To answer your question, we'll have to look at the strengths of each of the economies. United Kingdom happens to be an advanced economy, especially in manufacturing, in automobile components, in deep tech. UK has made important advancements. India offers a huge market in services. India has significant strengths. There are also advantages that could be extended to the agriculture sector of both the countries. The import duties, export duties could be lowered. In that sense, better engagement in exchange of goods and services between both India and the UK. But primarily, given that both are among the top 10 economies, fifth and sixth really in the world, their engagement is also expected to have a cascading impact for the global economy in a positive way, which is reeling under shocks of the tariff conflict, which is on primarily between the two largest economies, US and China. So the news that is coming in at the moment, great news for India and the UK, but significant implications for the world at large.
Absolutely. Prime Minister Modi has announced the conclusion of the free trade agreement with the United Kingdom along with a double contribution convention. Thank you, Shivendu. We'll leave it at that.